Welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we discuss money matter, we rub mind together as a family on how to make an headway in our finances. As you all know, that my channel is all about making money, being enlightened, using true education and all of that. Because I really love education a lot, so I normally go out of my way to do a lot of stuff to help me acquire knowledge. Today, I stumble on 5 websites that you can download free ebook for free. Regardless of whatever book it is you are looking for, 5 websites where you can download ebooks for free. Number 1 website, I will be leaving the link down below. You can see the link, it will pop up, and in the description below I will leave the link to that channel, to that website. Number 1 is Google Ebook Store. Now we are on Google Ebook Store, so whichever way you want to do it, you can just click on this search bar here. Well, you can see it, this search bar. Then type in the kind of book you want to get, and definitely it will pop up. And you can just click on my library. You can see it down below here. Just click on my library and it will bring the book. It will direct you to a library where you can get what you want. You can click on these 3 dots. You can see it. Just search. You can just click on the search and it will bring whatever you need. You find best-selling books on it, favorite classics and more, and they are available in several formats. You can check out ratings and even reviews on books.google.com. That is our number 1 website where you can download books for free. And the next one is www.gutenberg.org. We all know who Gutenberg is. I think the man who invented the typewriter. So, Project Gutenberg, about 60,000 books is on this site. Free ebooks. There's no registration fee. Books are available in EPUB, Kindle, HTML, and even simple text format for you to peruse. So just take a look at it. Whichever one you want to download, it's no fee registration, no special app needed, and all of that. You can see it here. Find free ebooks. So this where you are going to come to get it done. Just click on this place. Click on it. You can see it. You can see search and browse. Search and browse. So that is that concerning Project Gutenberg. And the next website, we're going to the 3rd website, which is called Open Library. You can visit www.openlibrary.org. You can see it. Just click on this place, browse. Click on it. You can see subject, trending library, explorer, list, collection, K-12 student library, and all of that. In fact, it has more than 1 million free ebooks that are available on this site. This library catalog is an open project of internet archive, and it allows users to contribute books. So you can contribute books. Maybe you've written any books too. You can make sure you contribute those books here on Open Library. So you do well to get the books you desire on this site. You can see it. All you need to do is sign up. Just come to this place. You just sign up and you'll be able to access those books. And the next one is called Many Books. You can get that on www.manybooks.net. You can see it. You can it has about 29,000 free ebooks at your fingertips. So you are bound to find out what might interest you. You can browse by most popular title, recent reviews, genres, and languages. You can see it. You can see it here. Search by title, author, keyword, and all of that. You can browse by genre and all of that. So just go fantasy, historical fiction, horror, and whatever it is you are looking for on this site. You can see it. See, $0. So please, you do well to make use of this wonderful site to get your book. And the next website is called LibraryBox. You can get that on www.librarybox.org. All what this is all about is that you, instead of reading, you listen to those books. If you want to listen to books instead of reading, you can use LibraryBox. It's a home to thousands of free audio books, including classic, out of print books, and many other. Just take a look at it. Let's go back, listen. So these are the catalog here. So check it out. So these books are just for listening. Instead of reading, you listen to those audio. And that is that. So sorry, you can use this place to search for the author, the title, and other stuff. And that is that to this subject matter today. 5 websites where you can download books for free, be it ebook, you want to listen to free book online. You can make use of these 5 websites. And if you find value in this video, please turn on the notification bell and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.